Start with a row of 8 to 10 loops. Zigzag the yarn and pair up loops with other loops. Take the loop behind the first row and bring it through the loop from the first row. With the next loop in the second row, also bring it through the first loop. Repeat that throughout the row. Make sure you are bringing all of the loops from behind so that you keep a consistent knit pattern. If you miss a loop, make sure to go back and stick it back through the hole. Once you reach the end of the row, check to make sure that you didn't miss any loops. Then flip it back over, zigzag the yarn again, and bring the leftmost loop to connect with the leftmost loop from the row before it. Then go through the row just as you've been doing before. Once again, bringing them all from behind. You should not be connecting any loops from the same row. You should only be connecting loops from different rows together. Once you reach the desired length of your scarf, probably a lot longer than this, you're going to want to take the leftmost loop, or the loop that is farthest away from where your extra yarn is, and you are going to want to take the loop next to it and pull it through it. Once again, you take the loop next to that one and pull it through the current loop that's standing up. This will finish off the yarn for you. Just pulling it through from behind. Make sure to pull them all the way through. If you miss a loop, make sure to always just go back. Don't have to cut anything, you don't have to do anything, just go back. That's why you check after each row to make sure you didn't miss anything. Once you've made it all the way to the end, you are going to want to pull this loop through it, cut this strand, pull it all the way through, and then just weave it through this. In here, out here, in here, out here, until the strand is gone. But first, before that, make sure to cut off the loops, either by cutting like this, so that there's still the yarn right here, or by cutting like this to cut through the loop and create a longer strand.